How much do you sell them for?
4,000.
So you're a little lower than blue.
Why? What did blue book value say?
Wasn't it 4,500 or something like that?
I don't know.
remember.
We bought it for 6.
I know, you did alright. You did alright.
Hell yeah. Oh man, you should have seen. Like she had the baby in the back, so I was like, oh yeah. So I pushed the thing down. I'm like, oh, you'll love this. You can see your baby back there.
I don't even like this.
Oh, signs saying no big trucks. And I'm a big truck. I guess I can't get the mail. Is he really gonna? You gotta wait, buddy. Okay, buddy, I'm gonna let you go. I gotta deal with this fucking crazy shit.
What crazy shit?
All downtown, people fucking walking and parking and driving down.
You know there's hot girls over there. You know it. Dressed slutty. I know. It happened in Seymour when I had alcohol. You need to go check that shit out. Alright, bye-bye.
Bye, buddy.
I think he gravitated toward